Welcome back, YouTubers. Thank you for joining me. And today I am working on a 2020 Toyota Corolla Hybrid. This is the one with a 2ZR FXE engine. I'm going to show you guys how to change the engine air filter on this car. Very easy. I advise everybody to do it. Stay away from the dealership. Save money. It does not require any tools. Just be careful, okay? Be careful for two things. Number one, this is the high voltage inverter. I'm touching it, but be careful. It even says right there, warning, high voltage. And be careful for this mass airflow sensor. Try not to break the sensor. If you have to, you want to remove it, squeeze and pull just like that to disconnect it if you want to. Then it does not require any tools. Just these two clips, 1, 2, pick up. There's going to be a latch in the back here that catches the bottom of the tray. So you want to pick up like that, this latch right here. Then the filter's right here. The filter is this little one. It's rectangular. Pay attention to how it goes. It goes in like this, just like that. Okay, doesn't go in like this. It doesn't go in like this. Pay attention. Okay, guys, it goes in like this. And if you put your new one in, it sits on the lip, just like this. Then this is the most important part. This tab right here. This tab goes into this little insert, like that. It's in. Lock your clips. 1, 2. And if you did remove this mass airflow sensor, go ahead and just plug it back in. There you go. You're done. You just changed the engine air filter on your 2020 Toyota Corolla Hybrid. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Always, number one, be safe.